welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be opening up one of my OG boxes. My IPSY glam box. That's what I was going to say. It is my Boxycharm by IPSY for March 2025. 2025. Dang. How long have we been doing, how long have we been, let me know in the comments how long we've been doing this, but like, how long have I been doing this? Long time, right? If you are new to my channel, I'll leave more about the box down below. It is a monthly subscription. It has all full-size items, 5 to be exact. Yeah, I don't think they ever do like surprise, here's an extra one. 5 full-size items. You do get to pick 3 of your 5 items that you get, and I think I remember which ones I picked. I'm not 100% certain, so let's open this up together. Woo. I just need to put this down so it doesn't hurt me. Okay, so you get this cute little card in the Boxycharm by IPSY. It doesn't have a whole lot on it. It tells you a little bit about what's going on this month as far as it's Boxycharm, or it's IPSY Boxycharm. How do they say it? Do they say Boxycharm still, or do they say Boxycharm by IPSY like I do, or is it IPSY Boxycharm? March 2025. Questions. But anyway, so the theme for this month, I'm going to go ahead and guess, is main character energy. Eat, glam, love. Yes. Express your unique beauty. Scan to learn about the 5 products in your box. No thanks, I have the app. I already pulled it up. March bucket list. Glow big or go home. Okay. Sneak peek, build your boxes, add-ons. I don't think I did any add-ons this month. Let me just use that to the trash so I don't make a mess everywhere. But let's get into everything we have in my box. So when you open the app, it shows you the items you picked and then what were picked for you, if that kind of makes sense. So the first item, we're just out like once upon a time, if you remember, and you can go check, this video will be in my Boxycharm playlist. Go check way back when Boxycharm didn't always used to send things in their proper packaging, and those were like red flags. So this I don't believe is in its proper, I mean maybe, because it's got a little thing holding it. I don't know. So this is from Dermalactives. It's the eye lifting solution. I didn't pick this. This is picked for me. $180. $180. I mean, I know it's an eye lifting collagen solution. Elastin and collagen rejuvenation. Did you apply a small amount around the eyes, avoid contact? It doesn't say that there's any magic in here, or 100. To be fair, it is on the larger size for like an eye area product, maybe like double the size, but $180. No, you're joking, right? Yeah, $180. I don't know how I feel about this one. Let me know if you guys, first of all, as always, let me know if you guys pick the same items as me, or if some of the similar, or if you got the same items picked for you by Boxycharm by IPSY. We're going to move on from that because 180, never would I, We'll put a pin in that. We'll come back to it. Okay. This next item, I'm assuming it's you. This one is a lot more believable. It's from Misho Beauty. M-I-S-C-H-O. Misho? I'm gonna say Misho Beauty. It's a lip balm. We're $25. It's a lip balm butter. I don't know if you know this. if you've seen any of my videos, I'm obsessed with, of course, blush and lippies. That's cool. It's only like, well, it's filled to like, that's still kind of a lot. What makes these special? Why are you $25? I've never heard of this brand. One thing I do enjoy about subscription boxes is learning about new brands, discovering new brands and items. I wanted to say bands. Maybe you discover new bands. I don't know. Things happen. But new brands. This will be new for me. We'll see how that goes. I currently have a lippy on. Where did you go? This one from Merit. So freaking soft. Lovely. Wonderful. I have on some Kylie Cosmetic lip liner. It hasn't budged at all. I've gone to dinner half a day with this on. Nothing. I've reapplied this like crazy because it feels good and I keep wiping it off, but good stuff. Anywho, lip balm. Ooh. Okay. On to the items I did pick. This one, it's not one of the ones I remember, but now I remember. It is from Fenty Beauty. It's the Fenty Cheeks Suede Powder Blush in What a Brat. $28. Let me show you how freaking cute this. And I know I have enough blush and I've been trying to go through my review. I have all my stuff right here. Honest to God, I've been trying to use it like crazy. I have my Review Beauty blush I use every single day. I've been trying to use it up. But let me show you. Oh, you can see the shade. Well, the shade I assume it is. Can we please open? Okay. So in times like this where I don't want to rip the box, but I still want to open it, we come in with some tweezers, slide it in the side, turn it sideways, and it just pops right open. Yeah, no damage to the box. We're good. But, wow, look at that packaging. She comes like this. Oh. Huh. Okay. That's innovative. Ooh. I am a sucker. Just for packaging, like outer packaging, I have, like, can you kind of see behind me? A lot of the really cute packages, like packaging for makeup products, I keep and I like to display because it's beautiful. I want to look at it like every day. This, where it's the actual like component packaging, oh, like I don't want to use it. I just want to keep it on me at all times because she's gorgeous. Look at this. And then you have like the lifted sides for easy opening. I don't want to, like, how do I, where's your, is it this? It's this way, right? It is. Oh, shut up. Oh, we have like paper in here. That color. She's got sparkles too, which normal me would say no, absolutely not. I'm a matte girly through and through. However, lately, I'm a glitter girly. I can't help it. Stop. I'm in love. That is cute. I don't want to put this back in the packaging because I want to like use her immediately. How do you put it back in here anyway? Because like you have to, and then does it go in this one too? Or is it just, how to, is it, and how, who did this? I have questions. And then you just pop it in, right? Just like, just, nope. Yeah, no. No, maybe. No. Yeah, no. Possibly. Nope, I put it in wrong, but there it is. That's so freaking good. How much was it? $28. Would not buy this for myself, but getting it as part of my Boxycharm by IPSY. Yeah. And it's a suede powder blush. What does that mean? Does it have like the fluffy, soft, silky, but still powdery kind of? I have questions. And my hair is getting all up in my face. Questions. But that's okay. On to this next item. It's from Mud Masky. tell me why. Okay, like let me explain the product to you first. We can do this cute little guessing game, like guess how much. So it's Mud Masky. It's a heat protecting hair serum, right? pH balance, protecting, moisturizing, reduces frizz, adds shine, nourishes, made in France. I thought Mud Masky came from Australia, or was that just some of the products like in there? Anyway, $55. I don't know if you know or if you can tell. I have hair. And this is a full size, $55. Are you serious? We're serious. And there's like this much in there. It's just crazy to look at things sometimes, like when I have like the ring light facing me, my window right in front of me where I get the natural light coming in, and then I see this and it's not full, but we're full. Where is it? Oh, down here. We're full. Yeah. $55 off? Would you use it? I don't know. It's a heat protectant though. I've never used a serum heat protectant, so this will be a first for me. Well, I will see. Oh, okay. This is the last item, and this box went pretty quick because this was the one I was waiting for. This is the one I remembered picking. This is from Huda Beauty. It's the Easy Bake and Snatch Pressed Powder for $38 in the color Peach Pie. Oh, sorry, lotion. I'm gonna put my phone down. And let me show you how cute of a tote. Can I open this? I don't want to damage the box or my... Oh, I already damaged the box. Well, I'm going to damage the box right now. Look. Huh. Okay. I am not one for a pressed powder. I did fall in love with the Fenty Beauty, what is it, Invisimatte? And I used it before the Super Bowl thing, and then after the Super Bowl thing, I bought replacements for it, and I'm coming up on needing another replacement, like, for the matte thingy, but this was an option, and this reminds me of my Nintendo 64 from the 90s. Anybody else? But yeah, here it is. Do you open? Yeah. Oh. Is it supposed to look super chunky? Like, do you see that? Is that normal? Can you kind of see that? Is this normal? Is this a normal, like, is that how it's, why is it, oh, it says Huda Beauty on it. It's a little spongy thing. Oh my god. Okay, so like this is underneath, right? That makes sense why there's holes on the bottom. I was like, what is that? And then this, and then, okay, that's really thin, but that's okay. That's okay. Why is it chunky? I don't, are you supposed to be chunky? Oh, you're magnetic. Why are you chunky though? I'm concerned. Is that, no, are you supposed, where's the bottom? Are you supposed to be chunky? No? Just shine control, no flashback. Okay, but like, is it supposed to be chunky? Under eyes, anywhere else, it'll get bright and lift effect, blend in a same finish, set makeup. Okay, but is it supposed to be chunky? Crunchy looking? But let me know, is that normal? I'm gonna have to look into this now. Is that normal? Curious. Oh, makes me nervous when it like slams shut. I'm like, oh, don't do that. But okay. Cute. How much were you? 20, 30, $38. I was like, 20, $38? $38. Okay. And everything, and it's beauty's best kept secret. I don't think it's beauty's best kept secret. I think a lot of people know about Boxycharm by IPSY. Well, I think a lot of people know about IPSY more specifically because they've like taken over everything, right? That makes sense. Bam! I like that. Like how nice it looks now. Very uniform, very organized. Definitely approve of the look. I will be using all of these, even that 180. It's going all over my face everywhere. How is $180? $180. You're gonna go everywhere. All over my face. All over, I mean it. Oh, but anyway, that's it. That's March 2025. Boxycharm by IPSY. Done. These have been going really quick lately. I don't know if I just got my game together or like it takes my Allure Beauty box to get through an hour and a half of me going through it playing with stuff, and then I come to this and I'm like bam, 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 bam. We're done. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for hanging out. Let me know about your items down in the comments for this video. You can always hit the like and subscribe button. Go check out the rest of the videos in this playlist. And I'll catch you in my next video. I want to go put that serum all over my face. Bye!